What's up, all you guys and girls in industrial automation world? I am Phil with Scott Equipment here in Charlotte, North Carolina, and today we're going to conduct an experiment. I have in my hand a Murrplastik KDP series panel entry system. Now, what this is designed for is to replace the more traditional cord grips like this or this that we use to do something like this. Take, like in this case, a multi-conductor cable, run it through once you get this thing installed in the opening in your enclosure, and you can tighten down on the cord grip, and the compression fitting gives you a nice secure connection so you get the proper ingress protection for this fitting. What we're going to do, the experiment we're going to conduct, is I have this 5-box plastic enclosure with some holes already drilled, and we're going to take these cord grips and we're going to install them, and then we're going to run the appropriate cable through, and then we're going to time ourselves to see how long that takes us to conduct that particular procedure. Now, one thing to keep in mind here is that you also have the added time and the cost of drilling all the holes, where in the case of the Murrplastik panel entry system, you obviously only have one to drill or to knock out with a green lead punch, whereas over here, to replace these 8 ports in my KDP panel entry system, I'll need 8 individual cord grips. So we're going to go ahead and do this experiment, and then we're going to flip it around and we'll do the same thing over on this side with our Murr KDP panel entry system. We'll see how long that takes. So let's go ahead and get started with our traditional cord grips. Let me start my timer. And wish me luck. Okay. 1 minute and 37 seconds. So now I'm going to remove these cord sets, and now we're going to take this one and do the same thing. So let's go ahead and start the timer. Like a glove. Ooh, 47 seconds. That's pretty good. So it took about half the time. That's a pretty substantial cost saving. So I don't know about y'all, but if I had to do this on a regular basis, I know which solution I would use.